So hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to convert a disk running on MBR format to a GPT format while installing Windows. To do so you need to keep two things in mind. First, your BIOS version should be UEFI, as GPT format only supports UEFI BIOS mode. And the second, you need to take a backup of all your data from all your drives, as you are going to lose all your data and install a new copy of Windows. So let's get started. Currently I am using a virtual machine to demonstrate the steps and procedure, but don't worry, it is going to be same for all physical computers also. So first you need to boot into Windows installation setup by booting through a bootable installation media. As you can see, I have already booted into Windows installation setup. Here you can see. Now what you have to do here is just press Shift plus F10 key. Then a command prompt Windows will appear. Here you have to type diskpart. Okay, wait. Then you have to type here list disk. Here you can see I have a disk of 60 gigabytes here, which is currently running on MBR partition. There is a GPT column here which is currently blank, as as this disk is currently running on MBR format. Otherwise there will be a star appear here. Now next you have to type select disk 0. I have written select disk 0 as this disk is labeled as disk 0. Next you have to type clean. Diskpart succeeded in cleaning the disk. Now this disk is cleaned. Then you have to type convert GPT. Diskpart successfully converted the selected disk to GPT format. Now this disk is converted into GPT format. You can also check it by typing list disk. As you can see, the there is a star appeared in the GPT format here. It means the disk is now converted into GPT disk. Now you have to type exit and then again exit. Now you are ready to go. Next, what you have to do is to click on next, install. Now you can install Windows on this disk, and it is also converted into GPT. Select the version of Windows you want to install, click on next. As you can see, disk 0 is now has a unallocated space of 60 gigabytes. You have to click on next and create a partition. So primary partition is created now, and you can install the Windows in this partition. Just you have to click on next and the installation will start. So that's all for this video. If you like the video, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up below. Thank you.